Right before a decision, especially an emotional one, there is a moment of pause. Most of the time we miss it. We act, react, rush. But if you catch this moment and make space for even a few breaths, everything changes. Here's the practice. Next time you feel that pull to react, to choose, to speak, stop, breathe in, breathe out. Don't push the decision away. Just pause, feel your body, notice your breath. Ask yourself gently, what do I really need right now? Even a 5-second pause can reconnect you with yourself. This is not about making the perfect decision. It's about making it with presence. This is BreathingWay. See you tomorrow.